My name is Justin Fraioli. I'm the Lab Operations Manager here at the M.A.R.C Institute. Now that you've seen some of the capabilities of the center, let's talk about other opportunities for use, such as product development, R&D, research, and surgical training. As an incubator, you have specimens, the ability to adapt size with different surgical techniques and approaches. You can do feasibility studies for your ideas and your concepts. You will also have access to 3D printing and scanning capabilities that can speed up the process and help control your costs. A secure level of confidentiality exists here at the M.A.R.C Institute, and enterprise can be sourced for assistance. We will be offering anatomy boot camps for and anatomical dissection classes for all levels. Our 3D app with cadaver images will be used for guidance and material during these classes. Please take advantage of these offerings, and we hope we can be of help for your development and educational needs. Thank you.